Hi, in today's video I'll show you how to apply for an IPO on Grow via your phone. Open the Grow app, log in, ensure you're in the Explore tab and in Stocks. We'll scroll down to IPOs. It's telling 2 are open and 9 are upcoming. And Shah Metallics and Sona Comstar are the two which are open right now. Shah Metallics is open from 14 June to 16 June and the price range is 303 to 306 rupees. We'll tap on apply. You can apply between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we are in bid 1 and one lot size is of 45. So you can put multiples of 45 and you can even untick this cutoff price and enter the lower price range, which is 303. So it's telling the amount to be blocked will be this much. I can add another bid from here. This too is 45 shares, that is one lot, but at cutoff price, so you can see the amount to be blocked has increased respectively. You can add up to 3 bids. Third bid, say at 2 for 2 lots, it's telling this much amount will be blocked. You can even delete the bid from here. So I'm just going to go with one bid and one lot, that is 45 at cutoff price, and this much amount will be blocked. Continue. Enter my UPI ID. Ensure that the terms and conditions is ticked. Continue. And now it's confirming that one bid of 45 shares at cutoff price will be placed. Again, continue. It's telling the bid has been requested. You can even see the bid details by tapping on this. So right now the bid status is requested and it may take up to 24 hours to receive the UPI request. So about after half an hour, I received the mandate request. I'm going to approve it. I'm going to authorize it. The mandate has been created. I've got a notification for it. Later, if I want to see the mandate details, I can tap on the profile picture and come to mandates. And over here it's showing me live. This mandate is there, awaiting withdrawal. I can even see the pending mandates or the previously completed mandates. Now coming back to the Grow app, we'll check the status. It's showing requested. We'll refresh it. It's still not approved, but this is the application number. You can even go over here and you can see the further details like till now subscription as of this 3:40 p.m. Retail investment is being done 1.76 times, and you can even see the strengths and risks, the revenue, profit, total assets. You can even see the upcoming IPOs, like there are 9 of them. Example, KIMS Hospital. The dates are officially released, so it's mentioned here like from 16 to 18 June and the price range. You can tap it and you can even view the red herring prospectus by tapping on this. And even the same thing, strengths and risks are mentioned, revenue, profit, total assets, even FAQs are answered. Going down, it even shows the recently closed. Right now they weren't any in the past month, so it's empty. And in recently listed, it even shows whether they were listed at a profit or at a loss. Like for example, Nazara Technologies, it was listed at 80.74% gains. We'll go in status and it's showing unfortunately I was not allotted any. But if you go to Kalyan Jewelers, I was allotted. Now just as a quick recap, I'm going to show you how to apply again from the start. We'll open the Grow app, log in, go to the IPO section, apply. Just one lot at cutoff price, this amount will be blocked. Continue. I've entered my UPI ID, terms and conditions ticked, continue. Again, I'll just confirm like 51 shares at cutoff price Continue, and the IPO has been requested. I've got the notification for the mandate. I'll approve it. I'm going to authorize it. The mandate has been created. I'll open the Grow app, go to status, refresh, and we can see it's been approved, and this is the application number. That's it, it's that simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section.